Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. You can also visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2015 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara in yellow with black leather interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and the back has a swing gate. This also has a lift kit and it has a hard top. It's a 3.6 liter V6 engine and it's a 4x4. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Storage in the door and power locks. The driver's seat is manually adjusted. The steering wheel can tilt, and on the face of the steering wheel you have your hands-free dialing as well as menu, and cruise control is off on the right-hand side. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see the odometer reading, any important messages, and then you can toggle through the menu for different options. And in the center you have a display screen. I'm just going to touch on there. You have your radio with AM, FM, satellite radio, as well. You've got navigation at the top, and you can touch on that. You can hide it as well, and then you have a USB outlet as well as auxiliary, and then you can load if you want to put in a CD because you have AM, FM as well as Sirius satellite radio. Down below is the power windows, and you have your climate control with AC, front and rear defrost, and then you have heated seats as well as traction control, hill descent, hazard lights, and a 110 outlet as well as a 12 volt. There's your automatic shifter, and there's your 4x4. You have your emergency parking brake beside the driver, a couple cup holders. The armrest opens up, and there's 2 levers. That's the shallow one, and then the kick on the other side, and there's the deeper one for you as well. You've got a USB outlet in there. Off to the side is your glove compartment. Up above is an auto dimming rear view mirror. You can see you have this hard top, and you can actually undo it as well to remove that portion, and it has the information about safety and so forth up above. 17-inch wheels, running boards, black door handles, driver's side fuel cap, and in the back you have your spare tire. Now I've released it on this portion here just to make it easier to get out, but you would turn it and twist, and then you just swing that open, and then when you want to open up the back, just press the button and pull it open here, and you now have access to the back. And you can also flip up your glass, and then you have full access, and it's nicely carpeted, and you're seeing the tabs on the back of the seats to be able to anchor baby seats, and you've got the roll bars there. And then when you want to close everything up, you simply close down the window, and you're seeing that you have a windshield wiper there. Then close up the back door, and then swing your tire back, and you would then turn the lever, and at the bottom there you're seeing that you have a trailer hitch, and then you can lock everything up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob you have remote storage in the door, and there's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. So at the back of the seat there's a clip, and you just pull that and the seat will come right down. You now have access to the back area, and you notice that the headrest just folds right out of the way, and then you just push it back up into the upright position, and there you go. You have slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and there's a couple of cup holders on the floor there. There's also lighting up above. Privacy glass in the back windows, powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.